everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making a healthy oatmeal chocolate brownie cake. So without further ado, let's get started. To start with the preparation, I'm going to be adding half a cup of unsalted melted butter and 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar into the mixing bowl. So here I'm using a whisk to mix both the butter and the sugar together. Now I'm going to be adding 2 medium-sized eggs. Now I'm just blending in all the 3 ingredients really well. So it should be something like this, and there should be no lumps as well. I'm adding a 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and I'm just blending it in really well. Now I'm going to be adding in half a cup of melted dark chocolate. Here I've used 70% dark chocolate. Just blending it all together really well. Now for the dry ingredients, starting with 1 cup of oat flour and 1/3 cup of cacao powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So mix all of them really well. I'm also going to be adding a splash of milk, approximately half a cup, to adjust the consistency. So it should be something like this. Not too thick, not too thin, but it should be slightly thicker than a cake batter. I'm just adding in a teaspoon of caramel syrup, but this is completely optional. So I have greased the baking tin with some melted butter and I've lined it with the parchment paper. So it's easy for us to remove the cake from the tin after it's done. Also, I forgot to mention this. Make sure the ingredients you are using are at room temperature. Now I'm just going to decorate this brownie cake with some milk chocolate flakes on top. I have preheated the oven at 300 degrees for 10 minutes. And I baked the brownie at 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. So this is how it looked. So I'm just transferring it into a plate, and this is an optional step as well. So for decoration purpose, I've just melted some milk chocolate and I'm just drizzling it on top of the brownie cake. All the ingredients that I've used are mentioned in the description box. Please do check that out. The brownie cake is so soft and spongy. Also, I would like to share a nutritional information with you guys. As you've seen earlier, I've used organic cacao powder in this recipe, which is rich in fiber, potassium, magnesium, iron, zinc and copper. So this in turn contributes in normal energy yielding metabolism, also normal psychological function, and finally helps to protect the cells from oxidative stress. Look how soft this healthy oatmeal chocolate brownie cake has turned out. It was so delicious and indulgent. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.